If you don't know me, my name is Craig and I was a tile installer for over 20 years. And I want to help you navigate getting the right sealer for your project. So let's start with what is a sealer. For lack of better words, a sealer is something that penetrates or lays on top of your tile system that keeps stains from getting in it. Does this mean a sealer makes your system stain proof? No. A sealer only really buys you time. Most all sealers can fit into two categories, a penetrating sealer or a topical sealer. A penetrating sealer is the most common sealer used in the tile and stone industry today. It's a liquid that's thin enough that can penetrate through your tile and leaving behind polymers which clog up the pores, which will block any stain that comes in contact with the material. A topical sealer is just the opposite. It adheres and bonds to the top of the tile, creating a barrier in which a stain should not be able to penetrate. Both of these can be considered stain-resistant solutions, but not stain-proof. Nothing is stain-proof. So now that you've decided you need a sealer, which one do you get? You've got another couple of options. Do you want your tile to look natural just as it did when it came out of the box, or do you want to change the look of it? To change the look of your material, you're going to get an enhancing sealer, which will give it that wet look, or choose a gloss sealer or a matte sealer that'll kind of add a sheen to your stone. If you don't want to change the look of it, you're gonna choose a sealer that says penetrating sealer, natural finish. Now that I've explained what types of sealers there are, let me tell you what my favorite one is, and that's Bulletproof. Bulletproof is a sealer and it's water-based penetrating sealer that's got the newest technology. And the cool thing about Bulletproof is when you combine it with the Revitalizer Cleaner, it helps with your maintenance. The cleaner actually adds sealer to your tile installation every time you clean. So find Bulletproof today at tilebar.com. If you loved that product, I know you're gonna love this one. Click right here, but before you leave, click the subscribe button, hit that thumbs up notification and the bell icon so you don't miss any future content. And don't forget, let's keep learning together and tile the world.